Okay, so this is my funnel website. This is my index page. You can enter in the test values, which put student. Log in. This is the course dashboard, so you have all of the classes that you enrolled in and that you unenrolled in. You can dynamically enroll and unenroll in all these courses. Let's enroll in all of them real quick. And so this test student is now in all the classes. You log back out. Teacher. Teacher. Teacher, he has one course. It's called this test course. With view students, we can see that test student that I just created is in the class. Their age, their grade. We can remove them from the class if we wish. Go ahead and remove them. Back. And the location, time, days, and the name can all be dynamically changed. So if you want to change it to test course, test class 1, click update, and it will dynamically update and send it to the database. Add course names. So class 2 or class 12. Days Tuesday 9:30 and the main. Click add. Now it's a new class that I can go ahead and edit. It has its own ID, update, view students, and whatnot. I'm gonna go ahead and log back out. If you want to register, you can do that as well. Just register like student 2. Student 2. We're gonna select a student, register, and then we'll do thing, log in. And now you have all these available courses to take. Here's the new course I just made. Enroll. Dynamically enroll. This is my database. I have the course structure right here. Enrollment structure. Just a relational database with the date that they enrolled. Users, which all my passwords are hashed for security, because you never want to keep raw passwords in for databases. So I have the ID, professor name, the role, which can only be student or teacher, age, and the grade can be null. The age could also be null technically, but that is happening. If we go to my code on this, let's go to index first. Index page looks a little something like this. This essentially just keeps you logged in. If you're already logged in, I have it on all my different pages. So on all these, at the top, it'll have the same session start to save your session if you're already logged in. We also have the form down here. So this form will just take the PHP function from the login form that I have, and it'll essentially run here. So it also has a href. It's the exact same thing. When you do my login, or when you fill in on my index page, it'll take you to this login page, and this is the logic that the index page is running right here. It essentially just takes your password, sets it to a statement value, and then it'll execute the statement value for more secure password inputs, and then we'll essentially check it in the database and return if it's an invalid password, or return if it's user not found. Commented pretty well, I think, and then the same HTML form. Login, depending on whether you log in and your account is a student or a teacher, it'll take you to this router page. This router page will essentially detect if you're a student or a teacher, and whichever one it'll send you to the dashboard. So student dashboard looks something like this. Has all our enroll logic right here, which will add stuff to our table in our database. Enroll, which will remove stuff from our table in our database. And same thing, a lot of SQL statements, all for our course lists. This dandy little list right here is all control stuff right here, and all dynamic, so it'll update as soon as you click on any of it. And it's up at the top. Features pretty much the same thing, except it's text box instead. It stores the values. When you edit, when you click submit, it'll run a delete, and then it'll or not a delete, it'll run a change. So it'll just replace all the values that it currently has with the new values. And I think that's pretty much it for this. Whenever I'll put the login. Okay. Register PHP basically takes your password. It hides, well, basically gets it ready for being hashed, and it hashes it in this statement. Basically, uses your algorithm to convert it to that random string you saw, and then binds it to, well, first of all, it just sets random variables. Then it binds the username, password, and role together right here, and then it's going to execute the statement, and it is going to make sure that there's no username that already exists. And as soon as it exits out of this, it will just. And this is the sign up logic right here with the Dropbox that does all that. Style CSS is only for the login page, and dash is for the dashboard CSS. These are for my custom rows. Everything's flexed, and that's pretty much it.